Good morning guys, today is our day 5 here in Italy at nandito tayo sa Leaning Tower of Pisa. As you can see, obvious naman. Today is Wednesday, March 12 and yun lang, nasa isang destination na naman tayo which is dito sa Pisa. Nalipad natin yan. Kaso may ginagawang structures. Ito yung church, pero sarado pa yung church eh. Tapos yung dome, ayan guys, it's 9:45 in the morning, maraming tao, although hindi naman ganun ka-crowded. Ayan guys, perfect day, perfect, although umulan kagabi. Pero maganda yung weather, malamig, hindi masyadong mainit. So yun guys,